much weight. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell. Can we just all agree on that when it comes to weight, that we should just mind our business? Unless someone is telling you like, oh, I try to lose weight or I try to gain weight, let's not comment on someone's body. Let's just not do it. I lost a lot of weight and I do not like the way that I look. So, people like to always go, oh, Rosetta, you look good. You're so nice and skinny. You must work out. You must be fit. And I understand that people are complimenting me, but I don't like the way that I look. And it's just that simple, I like me with more meat on my body. And the meat that I had on my body, it's gone. And I've been sad about it. I'm not going to lie. There was a point where I literally was waking up in the morning crying for 2 weeks straight because I did not like the way that I look. I did not like the fact that I lost all the weight that I loved and enjoyed on me. People may think that, oh, well, but you look good. I don't feel like I look good. I don't like the way that I look in clothes. Like, I literally will make sure I'm wearing extra baggy clothes because I tell people, I'm like, listen, I like the way I look naked, but I don't like the way that I look in clothes. And then people are like, but you're still beautiful. You're still pretty. I know that. I never not once said that I was ugly. I never said that. I know I'm a good looking, gorgeous, beautiful woman. Look at me. No, honestly, like, I know I'm attractive. And it's not a matter of me feeling like I'm ugly. It's just me not feeling good within myself. And also, when we see someone who I don't even want to say anything that's offensive. So when we see people that are heavier than we are, we shouldn't be like, oh, they should lose weight. Why? Why should someone who's heavier than you lose weight? Why should they? Because you feel as though they should lose weight? They're in love with themselves. If somebody loves their body and happy with who they are, why do they have to lose weight? That's just weird to me. If somebody likes being the size that they are, that's not your place. That's not your business to tell somebody, oh, you need to go lose weight because what they eat don't make you poop. So why do you care? Mind your business. It's their body, their choice. If they feel as though they want to lose the weight, then they will. But if they are fine and if they're happy and they're spreading love and not bothering you, why do you feel the need that you need to go out of your way to go tell somebody about their body, about their weight? Mind your business. So like I was getting at, we honestly have to do better on talking about people's weight, whether it's someone smaller than us and you like their body, someone bigger than us and you like their body. Unless, people don't mind. If someone is working hard on losing weight, cool. Like when I gain my weight back, I want people like, yo, Rosetta, you put that weight on, girl. I see. I'm like, you see me? You see me, hype me up when you see me put my weight back on, because that's going to make me feel good. But like, tell me, oh, you're so skinny. And I know that. Like, I honestly, I just want to be like this a lot of the times. Like, even now sitting on this video, I want to cover up. So I just feel as though we should do a much better job commenting on people's weight. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. First of all, because I was trying to show some boobies, because, Anyway, guys, and don't forget to hit that bell, hit that bell, so you can get my notifications. And happy Mother's Day to all the lovely, wonderful mothers out there. You're loved, you're appreciated, and your hard work does not go unnoticed. And God bless you for being mom. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.